All right, guys, it's Monday. It's lesson 21. Power up D today, division. We're going to read it from the inside out. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 42 divided by 6 is 7. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. 0 divided by 6 is 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Last row. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Mental math. Remember to show all of your work. Some of you guys are taking shortcuts on this work. We have 3 times 40 and 3 times 5. 40 times 3 is 120. And 5 times 3 is 15. Then you have to add 120 plus 15 is 135. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus nothing is 1. 135. 50 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 200. And then 4 times 4 is 16. 216. I added that one in my mind. 200 plus 16 is 216. C. Now you got 45 times 4. If you look carefully, this is similar to that problem we did above, but we're keeping it together now. 4 times 5 is 20. 0 down, carry 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 more. 18. 180. D. 54 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 down, 1 up. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 216. E, it says the parking lot has 56 spots. 200 spots are empty. How many spots are filled? You got filled spots plus empty spots equals total spots. We got 560 total, and we got 200 spots that are empty. Missing an add-in problem, you're going to subtract. Let's write it a little bigger. 560 minus 200 would give us 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 360 what? 360 parking spots. We'll go with spots. F. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. How many seconds are in 3 minutes? So you got 60 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 6 is 18. 180 seconds. G. Altogether, 10 squares have how many corners? Well, if you got a square, how many corners do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would have 4 groups of 10. Or 40. 40 what? 40 corners. And then H. 5 times 6 equals 30, plus 2 equals 32, divided by 4 equals 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. All right, problem solving problem today. Today they're talking about drawing a picture to help you out. Our focus strategy sometimes is act it out, sometimes is work backwards. Today is draw a picture. In her bedroom, Christy has 3 shelves, a top, a middle, and a bottom. So I drew my picture, top, middle, bottom. Christy wants to put her CDs on one of the shelves, all her books on another shelf, and all her trophies on another shelf. If Christy does not put the trophies on the bottom shelf, how many different ways can Christy organize her shelves? So trophies not on the bottom. So we could have trophies, CDs, and books. We could have trophies here, books here, and CDs here. We could have trophies here, and books here, and CDs. Trophies, trophies, trophies. We need one more trophy. Trophy here, and books here, and CDs here. Now it's our normal 6 pattern one, except for we can't put the trophies on the bottom shelf. Trophies are never on the bottom. So we got our formula right here. Make sure you showed all of your work. Should look exactly like mine. Work on the side, problem solving here, answers here, answers here. Now, lesson 21 has a couple example problems. 3 example problems, so we're going to do boxes of 6 now. Some of you guys are doing a nice job dividing this on the back, but you're not getting any correct because you didn't put your answers back here. So when I start on my next video and I start talking about example number 1, and it's going to look like this, you need to write this down on your paper. 30 times 4 equals 120. That should be there. Example number 2. Example number 3. And example number 4. And then we'll do a couple of these. Make sure you have writing on the back. Power Up Monday.